Welcome to our channel. Today we talk about pCommerce. Endless opportunities with one powerful license. No additional fees are required for you to start selling in your secure store today. That's because it can be a reality when you get pCommerce today with our commercial license included. They make buying and selling a truly seamless and joyful process, so that you and your customers don't miss the physical shopping experience. Let your customers find their way to your awesome products in the most effortless and simple manner. pCommerce is all set to replace traditional commerce. All this within seconds and no hard work. Expensive technology mad affordable, but only when you buy now. Creating an commerce setup is an expensive and tiring process. It isn't for the faint-hearted. But pCommerce makes it accessible to even those who don't have huge resources and marketing understanding. You can become a successful business owner and expert marketer within a matter of moments. The icing on the cake is that you get this fantastic opportunity at a one-time tiny cost. pCommerce helps you create multiple streams of income that you can access forever with one single payment. But only if you buy it during our special launch period. A minute's delay can be a heavy cost to bear for your business. Exclusively for the fast movers, dominate your niches with these incredible bonuses. Bonus 1. Making 6 figures with pCommerce. Valued at $497. When you purchase pCommerce today, you also unlock access to our 3-part bonus session series. In each session, we will go deeper into pCommerce, sharing with you effective ways in which you can start, run and grow your online business without owning a product. This alone is worth 5x what you will pay today, and it's yours for free. Bonus 2. Crypto Secrets. Valued at $197. Beginner-targeted course on what is and how to use cryptocurrency can help you succeed in buying and selling them. Within this course, you'll get a 4-part video series showing you the basics of cryptocurrency, helping you start buying or selling this form of online currency. Bonus 3. The Internet Marketing Online Goldmine. Valued at $697. Discover the easiest way to create a profitable online business and how to scale up your results to from 3-4-5-6 figures month. In this system, you're going to uncover everything you need to know to start running a massively successful business in your spare time. You will learn the fastest and most effective ways to start making money online. You're going to discover business models that you can easily implement in a matter of hours or even less. The safety net. 100% money-back guarantee. We understand that making purchases is a very hard task. That is why we want to make the decision incredibly easy for you. Your brilliant stores created by pCommerce use the latest technology and design to bring you an endless stream of profit. We also provide you with a safety net so that you can take this leap of faith easily. If you don't feel that pCommerce is for you, simply write to us within 14 days and receive a complete refund. No questions or clarifications required. If you buy from our link, we will provide a screenshot of purchase in this video comments. Thanks for watching.